Hi, welcome to Crewe SEAT. This is a video presentation of this brand new SEAT Ibiza 1.0 TSI. It's the FR model and a 5-door vehicle. This is a 360 walk around tour of this gorgeous vehicle before the second half of the video, where we're going to enter inside the vehicle, go through the technology and controls in more detail. This gorgeous vehicle is finished in Asphalt Blue, one of our new metallic paints, and it does look stunning. This vehicle does come with the full LED headlights and LED daytime running lights, and we have got the gorgeous 17-inch brilliant silver alloy wheels, which do look gorgeous on this particular vehicle. The side mirrors are tinted in black contrast colour, and we have got the rear tinted windows. In the boot we've got the black carpet finish with the black upholstery seats, with the blue additional centre sections of the seats as well, which does coordinate very well and part of the new FR styling. On the rear we have got the FR exclusive bumper, which does include the twin exhaust pipes in chrome, as well as the Ibiza and FR lettering there as well. Gorgeous vehicle, and it is very, very well presented. And now we're going to enter inside the boot. You can see we've got the grey carpet finish with the plastic hooks on the interior to secure any personal items you might need to on the go. And as you can see, there's plenty of room here for a suitcase if you're looking at getting away for the weekend, or if you're going out on a shopping trip, there's plenty of room there for all of your personal items. The vehicle does come with the electrically adjustable and folding and heated door mirrors, and this vehicle is finished with the sports suspension as well. We've got the automatic rain sensing wipers, and as a quick glance into the front now, you can see it's very well presented. We've got this brand new detailing, including the coloured detailing across the dash, and here we've got the red detailing surrounding the aircon vents, and the new detailing on the centre two seats in the front, and the flat-based black leather steering wheel. If you're interested, please give us a call on 01270 864 430, or carry on watching where we're going to enter inside the vehicle. As we've entered inside, you can see now a close-up of the driver's position. We've got the steering wheel in front of us, and to the driver's door we have got the electric window switches, the electrically adjustable side mirrors switch, and also the headlight controls, which is very easy to use and conveniently located. This stunning red detailing does highlight nice features in the front, and on the steering wheel we have got the multifunctional controls, which again are located conveniently for the driver so they can easily adjust the digital section on the dashboard. The steering wheel is the flat-based sports steering wheel in black leather with the orange bespoke trim. As you can see, it's done delivery miles only, and this vehicle does come with the touchscreen infotainment system in the front, with some great technology located here. As you can see, it's nice clear layout, very easy to use, and you've got these centre home screens. Firstly, we've got the full DAB radio with lots of options of saving your favourite stations, and also save the navigation system, with the map display as well. We've got the full link phone connectivity for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and MirrorLink for mobile device connection, and we have got the hands-free option, so for Bluetooth to communicate on the go. Just below we have got the dual climate control, as well as the USB inputs as well, so you can connect your phone using the wire, and it's a 6-speed manual vehicle. We have got the SEAT driver mode profile button, which you can select the type of style you'd like to drive in, and this may vary depending on the driver and the passengers, maybe the road conditions as well. If you're interested, please make sure you get in touch and give us a call on 01270 864 430. We do offer a range of different finance options, flexible finance packages, and different quotes as well, which are personalised. If you are interested, please get in touch and pop over to the showroom. Thanks for watching.